I am so excited to show you this. This is awesome. I finally went down and did the math for you. You know me, Martin Morris, toldtobetobroke.com, toldtobetobroke.com. I want to show you how to use the power of interest to make money. You can't make, with inflation going up 6%, 6.5%, especially some of you people with credit cards, the only way to get out of this debt is you're going to have to play the trick. This is what I call the credit card transfer game, puts money in your pocket. Let me show you the power of this interest. Right now, for example, say you have a $10,000 loan and you have a 29.99% yearly interest. Well, that means at the end of the year, you're paying $2,009. You're basically paying $2,000. Basically, you're paying $2,999 in interest is what you're paying each year. Now, what about if you can transfer this $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 balance that you have to a 0.099% card like I have with the Citibank? Now your interest goes from $2,999 down to $990. Well, let me repeat that. $2,990. You're paying this much in interest with your 29.9% credit card, down to basically zero. Well, it's not zero. It's $990. And then at 9% of that, it's like now your interest is $990. Now you've reduced your interest payments from $2,990 to $990. Basically, that's $2,909 extra. I repeat, $2,909 extra. Now, as long as you have that point, as long as you don't charge anymore, you can use it to help you pay off the card faster. Now you can start paying. Hey, now you can take almost like $290, whatever that interest payment is, taken, and now you're starting to pay more instead of paying like that big interest payment you have of like probably $300 monthly. Now you're down to maybe $150, $160. Let's do the math. Let me go get my calculator here. Like Grant Cardone counting. So let's calculate that. $299. Enter. I got the HP. It's cool. HP. I have a civil engineering degree. RE. Resident. What is it? PE. My baby just got me through that test. Oh, that's a story for another day. So you're paying $249 in interest a month. You have to pay at least $249 to before you can even reduce the balance on your credit card. That's why people say you have loan balance fatigue, because once the interest takes up so much of that payment they give you, then you're left you get like a payment like $300, $240 is interest, and then you're only applying $53 to whatever your loan balance is. Of course, it's going to take forever to go down. What do you think? But now you reduce, and then like $990 that's $990, 12 divided. So you're going from $249 to $80, basically where are we at? $82.50. So that's basically enter 249 minus. Now you have a plus $165.50 extra each month, because you've lowered your interest payments from 29.99 to, as Grant says, 0.9990%. I'm messed up with this. It's 0.0. No, it is 0.99. Yeah, it's 0.99. This is the point. This is a decimal, or you can do it. The percent is. Let me check this. You see how it is? 0.99%. So it basically comes to 0.09. Okay, this is actually 0.09. I'm not a math teacher, but that is the power of the credit card transfer balance. Now, I think some of you guys have like $15,000, $16,000, $17,000, and this number's not that. It's probably like 32, 33, 34%. I'll do the numbers on that later. What I need you to do, I need you guys to go out and look for those credit cards. They're only going to give you that transfer period of low, super low interest rate from 0.990% to 6.99%, even if it's at 6.99% and you got a 29% credit card bill, I'll do the math on that next time, you still come out ahead. That's what I got from American Express. Interest, it could be your friend or foe. As long as you have high interest rate and you're paying off these loans forever, they're going to give you the highest interest rate possible, which means instead of you paying like a person with good credit, credit does matter. Technically, if you have a lot of money, it doesn't matter. If you're broke and you think it, if you're broke and you have bad credit, it matters. Because now you're paying, say, I can get a car loan for 7%, but now you can get one for 13.5%, and you're financing 40. I'll show you all the math later. Basically, you're going to pay 2 to 3 times more than me for money. That's what you're paying for the cost and the money to borrow. So that's money that could be going to food, to your face, to your teeth, to like letting you live on the 3rd floor of the best apartment in the Summit Apartments where you can watch, look at that sunset. Look at that sunset, baby. You only get here with money, man. Yeah, otherwise, you'll be working living at Courtyard by Marriott. I got your face in the mountains, but the mountains are so beautiful. I face Big Bear Mountains over here. That's what I'm telling you. Power of interest. Look at this, man. Let's one more time before I look at this. Credit card transfer power. It's like power, like a Power Ranger, man. You have a $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 loan, and you're paying some of you guys ain't even paying 29.99% anymore because the Fed raised the rate like 4 or 5 times. So you're paying like 32, 33, 34. And now just think, 32, 34. And now you get like a credit card, even if it's 6.99%. And you're not getting a 0.990%. And you're paying 32, 33. That's like a 24, 25, 28%, so like a 26% interest. Still come out ahead. Subscribe. I got programs to show you how those loan calculations work. If you want me to help you, got a $1, $3, $5 program. Do your own loan calculations, man. I just want to give you strategies because then I'm going to teach you ways to find the money to pay this thing off. But you've got to have discipline if you do the credit card transfer balance thing. Because if you're not, you're going to be like keep transferring balances forever. But eventually, soon, as you saw with the banks, Silicon Valley Bank, Credit Suisse, probably a multi-million-dollar bank, people came back the next day, 9,000 and you just don't have a job. Who? Disneyland, hey, this is a happy place on earth, but you ain't going to be very happy. Oh, that's a good one. I'm going to use that one. When I'm going to drink with my girlfriend, I'm going to use that one, man. But 7,000 of you ain't going to be happy. This ain't going to be the happiest place on earth for you or the happiest day. Try it, man. Try it. Then I have different programs, $1, $3, $5. I have a $1,997 program. That's for you hardcore people like me who like to just pay off your loans, and I have the credit card things. But this is the program on now. $1, $3, $5. I do all the calculations for you. You get to calculate by it. You decide if you want to do it, you don't want to do it. It's up to you, man. I don't care, man. Because if you want to live with 4 or 5 roommates, it's all on you, man. You guys want to alternate the parking space, it's all on you. You want to live with your girlfriend or her mom or her sister because you ain't got enough money to get your own place so the girl you love can come sleep with you instead of you going to sleep at her house, it's up to you, man. If you want to shop at Aldi, grocery outlets instead of shopping at Braun's or Spouse, I don't give a fuck. I'm 54, man. I don't care, man. I've lived in South Central LA. I've done my Superior Market, food for less. Someone gonna put my motherfucking groceries in my goddamn basket, or at least help me bag it, man. So, all right, you guys, one more time. The power of the credit card transfer: $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 loans, 0.99%. Look at that. You go from paying $2,990 to $990. That's $2,909 extra. Where's it at? $2,900 extra you have a month. Isn't that worth doing it? Isn't that worth learning how to do it? I'm going to teach you the ins and outs, and then you decide if you want to do it. I would. If I didn't know if I had my student loans and paid off and I had those credit cards, that's how I got out of debt. I had to transfer my money from a Bank of America to a credit union because I lost a bunch of foreclosures and stuff. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, comment, like. Put some loan amounts. Put some interest rates, man. You do it yourself. I can do it for you. We can work together. Just do something with the power of the credit card transfer. Power on!